just wanted to let you know that you need to get out lesson 113 out of your Monday packet. And in here you're counting by nines. So remember that 9 times 2 is 2 nines. 9 plus 9. So 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 9 is 9. So you might want to pull out your multiplication chart to help you with, because I know that you know the concept. 6 nines would be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 6 nines. So 6 times 9, I don't know if you remember the trick with the hands for your nines. So if we have 6 times 9, we have, here's 5 and here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you hold down your 6th finger, and so you end up with how many on this hand? 5. How many on this hand? 4. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do 2 times 9. So here's 1 and here's 2. Hold down the 2. 2 times 9 is 1. And how many do I have over here? 8. 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. So anyway, that's another way that you can do it if you want. So I'll have you put that way away. Notice on the board, today you're dealing with angles. So you're going to be filling out some paperwork. And they're just asking you, are these angles, are they a right angle? Are they an obtuse angle? Or are they an acute angle? So here's our directions for right angles. Right angles usually have a little square here. In here they don't. So it's kind of hard to tell if it's a right angle. But a right angle means that you've got a vertical line that runs right into a horizontal line. And so it's that perfect 90-degree angle for this one. If it's larger than 90 degrees, like this one here, and in your paper it's got this little, it says the angle measurement. So if it's larger than that, we're going to consider it obtuse. Obtuse just means large. And then acute, which is confusing because sometimes we use the word acute and it means big. But in this situation, acute angle means that it's smaller than 90 degrees. So you're going to need that when you're dealing with your guided class practice. It's just asking you to label each one. And then I did not put a ruler in, so I'm hoping that you guys have a ruler at home that you can go through and make sure that you draw a 2 1/4 inch line segment. Make it 3/4 of an inch longer. How long would it be now? So you're going to have to add 2 1/4 on a line, add another 3/4 of an inch, and then measure the whole piece and find out how long it is. All right. And then when we multiply, on where it says guided practice, 3 times 42. Remember that when we're taking a single digit and a double digit, you can always go back and look at this on the video if you need to go back and look. Okay. But on here, if I take 3 and I multiply it by a double digit, I'm always going to take 3 and multiply it by 2 first. What is 3 times 2, Gabe? 6. And then 3 times 4 is 12. So I know you know how to do that, but I just wanted to remind you. And then don't forget that when we are subtracting, that you got to borrow. So on the homework side, they're taking 301 and they're subtracting 118, and I just borrow. If I have 1 and I can't take away 8 from 1, if I have 1 I can't take away 8, so I've got to borrow from the one next door. So I can't borrow anything from the one next door because they don't have any. So then I got to go to the next one. So I take from the whole 30. So if I take 1 away from 30, it gives me 29 up here. and I'm going to put my 1 right here. So now I've got 11 and I'm subtracting 8. So I always count up 8, 9, 10, 11. So that gives us 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we end up with 183. Okay, so I think the rest of it you'll do okay. Number 3, they're asking you to figure out how many is half of 12, what's 1/3 of 12, what's 1/4 of 12. So don't forget that when you're thinking about what's 1/3 of, you could do this, 1, 2, 3. And if I said, what's 1/3 of 15? I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oops, I went too many. I was only supposed to go to 15. Let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1/3 of 15 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/3 of 15 equals 5. They're going to ask you what's 1/3 of 12. Sorry I confused you. I just kept wanting to count. All right, see you later, Gabe. Love you.